So I'm here thinking about the JDF officer that was found dead. And if you guys don't know the story goes something like this. He met a girl and he took the girl to a hotel room, went to go have sex with her, and the girl heard him stumbling around in the bathroom. She went to go look for him and look to see what was wrong. When she went in the bathroom, he was just laying there unconscious. So we seen the pictures of him laying in the tub now. Everything came about, and now they're saying that he's also married. And a lot of people were like, what a shame, what a disgrace upon the wife, because of how we get found and all of that. And a lot of people were like, enough man do road nowadays, and because woman do road too, and all sort of foolishness. And what I realized with Jamaican people and Jamaican man especially, they can do stuff and they get away with it. I don't know if it's cultural. Sorry, I don't know if it's cultural. It's a cultural thing, but it needs to change. And a lot of people have the mentality say, woman do the road and man do the road, so me do the road. When you have that type of mentality, you can never be faithful to one person. Ever. Your mind won't allow you to do it. And once you constantly break your conscious mind into something, that's what you're going to do forever. And not every man and not every woman the road. Contrary to popular belief, there are actually some faithful men and women out there. And it's a shame for no say we far and few in between. But yes, there's still some of us out here. And if Jamaica become any better, we're gonna need way more of us than of the people that do road. And another thing that I was looking at is how people are like, they don't feel sorry for him because of him caused himself that, because him have him good wife and all these things. Marriage is a very complex thing. Relationships are very complex. And yes, he was wrong to go cheat on his wife, but a lot of Jamaican women, me realize that when them get them ring pon them finger, or they get the title of wifey, and them moving and living with them man and thing, and them man have a nice job and them they're living okay, I realize with a lot of them, they become lackadaisical. Them feel say I have arrived, me reach, me no longer need to do this, me no longer need to do that. Him can't just get sex one time a week. Him can't just get sex all one time a month no, cause we do the same thing, it's boring, blah blah blah. And that's what caused a lot of men to stray. Not saying it's right for them to do what they do, but that's what caused a lot of marital issues, because you no longer do what you used to do, or you do it but you make it look like a chore or feel like a chore, or you say boring or whatever. And after a while, a man is going to want to try something new, do something, experience. Yes, to me, I feel like people, especially Caribbean people, they emphasize sex too much. And I feel like sex is overrated to a certain extent, because there's only so much positions you can do. There's only so much beating up and stabbing up at the pum pum you can do. There's only so much you can do as far as sex is concerned, and after that you have experienced it all, and it becomes just what it is, sex. So yes, me understand say the man shouldn't have done what he done and stepped out on his wife, but at the same time you guys don't know the situation in I'm household as to the reason why him go find young girl and boots up to get some pum pum. You guys don't know what was happening in his house. This man probably they work out him soul case for mind him wife and him pitney, and him wife probably not even look upon him. Okay? Men have feelings too. Men have really, really big egos, and if you're not someone that can take care of your husbands or your man where they with ego, or know that their egos are fragile, then you don't need to deal with nobody at all. Men like to hear say them look good. Men like to hear say, okay babe, that cut looks really good on you. Damn, you fine. You can get it. Like, men like to hear the same things what woman like to hear, essentially. And I feel with a lot of Jamaican women, them feel like, okay, me they with me man, blah blah blah, me not have to tell him nothing, it's whatever. Or you have to have a person that's going to be like, okay, babe, you used to do this, me want you do this again. You used to do that, you haven't been doing it lately, so bring that back. Or have somebody that holds you accountable in a relationship. If you're slacking, they won't tell us that you're slacking. And even though we might not like it sometimes, and it might hurt with feelings, it's good to have somebody that's going to want to keep you on your A game, because they're ensuring that they're satisfied, and in the process you are also satisfied. So don't have to go astray, essentially. And then another thing, Jamaican men need to stop use these illicit let me pull this camera up. Need to stop using these illicit drugs on the market and mixing them with alcohol. And Caribbean people, especially the men, don't like to go to doctors, so that's another issue that when combined with Viagra, alcohol can cause so many issues. One need to be careful, take on health serious, because health is wealth. And when enough man talk about how me I go beat up a pum pum there, me I go kill it and me I do this and me I do that, honestly, really, truly, you can't do nothing to pum pum. Like people explain so eloquently. If one 10 and 12 pound baby can come out of one pum pum, what you think feel like her 8-9 inch or do? Nothing. Okay? Nothing. So that's my whole take on it. I feel like there's a reason why he did what he did. He probably not getting satisfied on yard, and that's no reason to go and be unfaithful to your wife. But men have needs too, and men have wants too, and Jamaican women have this tendency to just want use up man, feel what them want, and then them leave them in our dust, which is not right. And the next thing we need to do is make sure that we are getting our checkups done. We're not mixing illicit drugs, and we're making sure our body is good. Them fake Viagra and thing with them have the flood Jamaica from the Chinese people, them don't mean you no good. Okay? Do some Irish mat smash, drink up some supple gin, go the natural route, okay? Natural route is always better for you, quite honestly. And also stop going like say on a machine and I talk about when want beat up pum pum and all these things. Like when you can't beat up no pum pum. If one pum pum can push out one 10 or 12 pound baby, what you think your hood do to the one pum pum? Stop it. Okay? Stop it. And enough for the woman them too. When them there with one man where just want make love to them or have sex with them, that's not enough, and they make the man them feel like so them have to dog out them hole and do something with them sip on porn website or like it's crazy. Nobody no want have sex like them an animal, okay? Contrary to popular belief, and them the type of sex that is not really fun, and you know get the most out of it. Okay, so cut it out. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.